Hey, it's Mark again, RPM Tesla. We've got some great, exciting news today for Model Y, Model 3, Model S, and X owners, everybody. Check it out. We've got a brand new line of aero kits for the Model Y. We'll start off with first. Now look at this beautiful, aggressive front end. This is called our Colossal line. Now it's the biggest, largest, most aggressive. Look at that dry molded material. Look at the pattern. This is not inexpensive, prefabricated carbon fiber. This is dry molded, hand laid. Just look at that. The design is amazing. It comes down, protrudes forward, downward. I've got 2 layers of flanges on the side. And again, this is the Model Y new front end carbon fiber lip splitter. And we also have new side skirts to go with it. So we'll just keep on going right over here. Now the side skirts are great. Look at these. Now our original ones are real nice. We'll put a little clip in here. But these cover the entire rocker panel under the doors. From edge to edge. They slide right on. They fit great. They go all the way down, all the way around the back. And when you open the door, we'll show you how nice it looks right inside the door jamb. So in the door jamb now, you've got a carbon fiber complete step or a new sill plate where it used to be plastic. So that looks great. Okay, let's continue around the back. Now this is my favorite. It's the most aggressive rear diffuser we have ever designed here at RPM. And take a look at this. Look at it from a little further back, but look at the aggressiveness of the straight, square, non-curved lines. We've got these vertical fins, and then we've got a deep, deep, thick 3-inch lip that comes right off the trunk line. It's great. It's really aggressive. Again, very easy to install, but this is a diffuser replacement. Okay, it's not an overlay. It simply replaces the whole diffuser. And we've already shot the full installation video. But again, look at it up close. This is dry molded. Just look at that carbon. You see the pattern? It's not wet molded product. It's very beautiful. And let's continue around this side. We even got our mud flaps on. And look at the side skirt. Just look at it from the driver's point of view. You open up your front door and it's just beautiful. Beautiful carbon fiber, all matching interior, steering wheel, center console, dashboard. If you love carbon, you're going to love all this. Door switch covers. Everything is beautiful carbon fiber. And this is an overlay. The actual product you're looking at is an overlay. The diffuser is a replacement. And everything else is an overlay. Our beautiful Formula One hoods are selling great. We've got this large protruding head and fake air inlets. So the Model Y is looking great. It's almost a full upgraded kit, aero kit, of course. And look at it from the side. You can see how now you lose the whole round shape of a Model Y by adding an aero kit on the bottom. Super aggressive. Okay, Model Y owners, you might wonder what a diffuser is. Well, this is your plastic original diffuser. The reflectors are in here. They transfer right over. And this is what you're going to remove. And see how it holds on underneath? All those holes have been replicated. So you're going to just pull them out and choose the same stock hardware like we mentioned. We've taken over our employee lounge area to show this a little closer up. We want to make some key points, and we want to talk about a couple of things. First of all, we've got dry molded matte carbon fiber. So this is an option that a lot of people are going to like. This is a satin finish, and this is really going to match your original performance spoiler if you have that still. But take a look at it over here, and let's stay right behind the light here. See the pattern? See, this is dry molded carbon fiber. All you see is the beautiful carbon. You're not seeing the material floating. It's not refracting any light because this is vulcanized in an autoclave for many, many hours. So, okay, now we want to show you the glossy one again up close. And again, look at the side here and look at the carbon fiber
Just back way up like that. Look at the carbon fiber. Look at the carbon fiber on all of the upright vertical flanges. So this is dry molded carbon fiber. Now this one is a competitor's. And we picked this up because we want to show the difference between wet molded carbon fiber and dry. And the easiest way to look at it straight on is from that right there, is how the light is all being refracted. So the layers of carbon are fabric, and they're introduced with the epoxy and the resins, but if it's floating around, it's very erratic. It just looks really, really bad. You can see the curves in it. But if you look at dry molded carbon fiber, nice straight vertical patterns. The clear coat has a big difference as well. So we want to show you up close the clear coat on the wet molded. So first of all these tabs here, if you notice around the front, these tabs have to slide underneath and they have to be straight and flat. All of these on this really inexpensive Chinese version are flimsy, fragile. They don't even have holes in them. There's no way the tabs are going to lock underneath like ours are. And just look at the difference in the material. Now I want to show you the clear coat. Look at how this is all bubbled. It's uneven. This was put on a car for about 2 months. And from sunlight, it just seems to attack the resin. It seems to make it bubble up. So you get a real unfinished look. On ours, it's very, very high polish. It's clean, it's hand laid. It is pre-preg, but it's not wet molded, it's dry molded. So see the difference here? We'll get a little closer. So this is wet molded versus dry. Just look at the pattern, see the difference. This looks like a mess. You've got light scattering the reflection of the weave pattern versus this deep, deep shine, lustrous shine. So this one you can find probably for half the price. It'll come from China. It'll have a warranty on it, maybe worth a few days, a few months. And then when it gets bubbled, cracks, that's assuming you get it installed, you'll notice a huge difference. So again, this is dry molded. It's strong. Look, it doesn't bend or flex. This is just like plastic, and all the buttons and the tabs and the grommets are going to go through these holes. On this thing, it's just flimsy. And again, wet molded carbon fiber and dry molded are just two different worlds. So again, you can see how the light hits it and how it scatters it. Now, of course, we're not bad-mouthing our competition. We're just doing our due diligence and trying to tell our customers the difference you get between dry molded and wet molded. Not only is it structurally stronger, better, with 2 or 3 layers of carbon fiber, but this, if you did get it installed, would just be a mess. So again, that's it. We want to show you how it works. The reflectors, or you can upgrade, if you noticed in our video, we have our reflector upgrades showing how the light up reflectors work with our tail light upgrades. But what a difference. We hope everyone appreciates the difference and understands the difference just by looking at these two surfaces, wet and dry. So if you love beautiful carbon fiber and you really want it to last, this is the way to go. Thank you again for watching. And if you like the satin matte finish, we have both options and very few in stock. It's a long manufacturing process, like we mentioned in the description. It is slow, but we do have about 5 of each in stock, and we're sure they're going to go quick. So again, the next video below this, please watch it, because that is the full installation video where we're going to show you how to remove your stock diffuser. And you have to take the rear bumper off. Whoops. But it comes off pretty easy. It snaps right in. The bumper's going to be on here. You're going to pull it off. We're going to show you how to disconnect all the tabs and unscrew everything. No drilling, no overlays. And again, you're not going to do anything to your car except connect it. It's not going to avoid any warranties, because this is an exact replica of this. Take a look up close and notice all the tab locations for fitting in to underneath the car when you slide it back in. Okay, take a look at the next video. Again, this is going to be for our replacement diffuser in plastic, but it's still the same methodology of removing it and installing it. And again, maybe one little view here is nice. I'll bring the light over. You can really see a difference from a high point of view as well. See, this is wet molded. The pattern is just all scattered. And again, this is dry. So if quality means something, look no further. RPM Tesla and our new wet molded replacement diffuser for the Model Ys. Thanks for watching.